Are you ready to supercharge your startup with valuable grants? The journey from zero to hero for startups often requires a potent catalyst, and grants have emerged as a powerful force in propelling aspiring entrepreneurs towards success. Join us as we dive into 7 ways your startup can thrive with grants.
As we delve into the realm of startup ecosystems, it's evident that grants wield the transformative ability to nurture innovation, foster growth, and empower emerging ventures in ways that traditional funding avenues cannot match. Before we proceed, let's take a quick look at the term grant. A grant is a financial award given by an organization, government agency, or foundation to support a specific project, research, or initiative. Grants are typically non-repayable funds provided to individuals, businesses, educational institutions, or non-profit organizations to help them achieve a specific goal or make a positive impact in a particular area. In the dynamic landscape of entrepreneurship, securing initial capital can be a formidable hurdle for startups seeking to turn their visionary concepts into tangible realities. This is where grant steps into the spotlight as a game-changing resource. Unlike loans or equity financing, grants offers entrepreneurs a non-dilute means of accessing capital, allowing them to retain control and ownership of their fledgling enterprise, while fueling their growth. Grants play a pivotal role in propelling startups towards success by offering a range of invaluable resources and opportunities. From financial support, validation and credibility, research and development R&D and innovation, to access to networks and expertise, social impact and sustainability initiatives, to market expansion and commercialization, and risk mitigation and long-term validity. We will consider these 7 ways grants can build a startup to success. First, financial support. Grants provide startup with non-dilutive capital, allowing them to fund critical early-stage activities, such as product development, market research, and hiring key talents. This financial support gives startups the runway they need to bring their innovative ideas to life without the burden of immediate repayment or equity relinquishment. If you're watching this video, it already means that you're resilient and need more hints on becoming a successful entrepreneur or business owner. Do subscribe and join our community of successful business owners. Next is validation and credibility. Securing a grant serves as a powerful validation of a startup's potential and the value of its products or services. It can boost the credibility of the startup in the eyes of potential investors, partners, and customers, helping to establish a strong foundation to future growth and success. Up next is research and development and innovation. Grants enable startups to invest in research and development efforts, fostering innovation and the refinement of groundbreaking technologies. By providing the necessary resources to experimentation and prototyping, grants allow startups to push the boundaries of what's possible, driving forward-thinking solutions and disruptive advancements. Next intriguing way is access to network and expertise. Many grants programs offer access to mentorship, advisory services, networking opportunities within established industry ecosystems. This exposure can provide startups with invaluable guidance, connections to potential collaborators, and insight into market trends, ultimately accelerating their path to success. Up next, we will take a look at social impact and sustainability initiatives. Grants focused on social impact and sustainability not only provide financial backing but also align startups with meaningful causes. By supporting ventures that addresses pressing societal or environmental challenges, these grants can elevate a startup's profile, attract socially conscious consumers, and open doors to additional funding and partnerships opportunities. Next is market expansion and commercialization. Some grants facilitate market expansion and commercialization efforts by providing resources for market entry strategies, regulatory compliance, and scaling initiatives. This support is crucial for startups aiming to transition from the development phase to widespread adoption and revenue generation. Finally, let's talk about risk mitigation and long-term validity. By mitigating financial risk and providing a runway for startups to iterate and refine their offerings, grants contribute to long-term viability of emerging ventures. This stability empowers startups to weather challenges, adapt to market dynamics, and position themselves for sustainable growth and success. Conclusively, grants serves as catalysts for startup success by offering financial resources, validation, mentorship, and strategic opportunities. They enable startups to pursue ambitious goals, innovate without immediate financial constraints, and make meaningful contributions to their industries and the society as a whole.